We all have those bad habits that we would like to change, and become far more better, moving forward. How does one know that whatever you are doing is actually harmful to yourself, or in regards, harmful habits, and how can you turn them around? We all have that one thing that started off as a simple and innocent thing to do, but as we continue, we found it hard to escape it, and since then it has become part of our routine. It's a good thing that you have clicked on this video, meaning that there is something about you that you want to change, and become a better person, or replace it with far better habits. Number 1 is realizing them and becoming aware that they exist. You and only you can change your habits, but first, you must become fully aware of yourself, and how they are affecting your productivity. On the second tip is, once you have recognized the bad habits you want to change, it's up to you now to create a game plan on how you are going to follow through in breaking those bad habits. Set up a game plan on how you would approach it, and possible ways to overcome it. For example, most people have an issue with procrastination. Start by pushing yourself daily, with small simple tasks, to help your mind get into momentum. On number 3, be aware of regular setbacks. The only way for you is to also be aware of regular setbacks that may tempt you into falling back. For example, if you want to stay healthy, keep only healthy foods around your households. This will limit your chances in you eating unhealthy foods. On our fourth point, keep a healthy circle around you. Always involve your close friends on your journey, and give them some of the goals you want to achieve. But also, keep in mind that the same friends may actually be the ones that are driving you backwards, so also be very thoughtful in who you keep around you. On our fifth point, keep a journal and a track of how things are going. It's always good to keep track of things and how they are going, to know what kind of progress you are doing. And always, congratulate yourself for the small steps that you have made so far. On our last point, always remember it's about the mindset mostly. First thing you need to realize is that any behavior can be changed by altering our mindset. It's not a one-day job. Habits take time to develop, so you have to fall in love with the process. First the daily struggle, the daily commitment to follow through.